You may have visited Morocco before and done a day trip to the beautiful Atlas Mountains. But have you ever been to the Paradise Valley? Maybe not. This is actually one of Morocco's best kept secrets, and if you do come to Agadir, then this is one place you don't want to miss. Let's go! From mountains to palm trees to the Berber villages, the views will simply blow you away. I've done so many road trips before, but I honestly wasn't expecting it to be this beautiful. It's just amazing. After enjoying an hour of breathtaking scenery, we arrive at the Paradise Valley. Here we get to meet our hiking guide. His name is Mohammed.
How are you, my friend? You okay? Yeah.
And he will guide us through the hilly terrains down to the valley. This hike takes around 30 to 40 minutes and it's very rough. So if you're not fit to walk, or if you've got any medical conditions, then I wouldn't advise you to walk down these bumpy hills. So you have been warned. Just before you get to the pools, you can see a few open air restaurants on your way. But right now, it's the off-peak season here in December, so it's kind of empty, as you can see. Now I must warn you that these rocks are extremely dangerous, and you have to be really careful when climbing up or down these rocks. They can be really slippery and you don't want to slip straight into the water or hit your head somewhere, so be careful. After 30 minutes of walking, we finally arrive at Paradise Valley. I think this place is very underrated. Just look at the views, just look at these crystal clear water surrounded by the Rocky Mountains. It's so pretty. Check it out. You can't go to Morocco and not have their fresh orange juice. No way. This orange juice is so fresh. I mean, they'll squeeze it in front of you. No added sugar, nothing. It's so sweet. I would highly recommend that.